Here's the before and after of this home. Feels like a completely different home now, doesn't it? Most homeowners face the same problem. Their space looks plain, lacks character, and doesn't flow together. But with the right design, your home can feel warm, functional, and stylish all at once. This one was designed with a modern contemporary style. Clean lines, cozy textures, and a light color palette. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Stay until the end to see how each area transformed and how you can do the same for your home. Before, the living area looked like this. Simple, clean, but it didn't quite feel designed. It lacked personality and visual connection. The floor tiles remain in the same beige tones, so you don't need to replace them. The room painted in a light beige paint, helping light bounce around, keeping your living area bright and open, while the ceiling with integrated recessed downlights evenly distribute illumination throughout the room. In a modern open-plan home, zoning is the key. The living area sits near the glass door, which brings in natural light, and the layout naturally divides the space into two zones. The seating faces the entertainment wall, while clear pathways in between create smooth movement and visual flow. The homeowner already has a sectional sofa in soft white, so it stays where it is. That's a great starting point. It's well proportioned for the space, not too bulky, yet wide enough for lounging. Just layer it with neutral pillows for added comfort. Pair it with a modern wood and glass coffee table. Its sculptural shape adds movement, while the darker wood tone contrasts beautifully with the light sofa. Then, a round stone textured side table keeps the design soft and calming. No sharp transitions, just smooth flow. Decorate both tables with books and a vase with plants, simple accents that add personality without clutter. A neutral woven rug underneath to create a cozy atmosphere that defines your seating area. You can introduce a curved vertical slatted wall panel with backlighting behind the sectional. It transforms a plain wall into a striking statement feature. To balance the vertical slats, install floating shelves with LED strip lighting. The black tones creates contrast against the wood. It also adds display space for small plants or framed artwork. Then comes the gold circular floor lamp that adds height and elegance, wrapping the corner in a subtle golden glow that feels luxurious. You can control the natural light coming from the glass door using vertical blinds. When sunlight filters through, it casts soft shadows that add movement and depth to the space. Now, focus on the entertainment wall. You can transform it with a mix of vertical oak slats and a flat base panel, layered over a marble textured backdrop with backlighting behind the mounted TV. The slats bring warmth and rhythm, while the marble adds elegance and contrast. These textures instantly elevate the look, giving your TV wall a rich designer finish without changing your layout. Choosing a floating media console with underlighting maintains clean lines and makes your space feel lighter and easier to clean. Extend storage upward with tall glass front shelves on one side. These provide display space for personal items and keep your equipment protected while maintaining a sleek, modern look. Altogether, this design makes your living area look taller, brighter, and more refined for an estimated total cost of around $3,400 to $3,550. This dining area might look neat and already has a beautiful dining set, but it's missing that warm, inviting vibe. The layout stays simple and open, keeping the dining zone on one side of the space. Placing the dining set in the center lets you move comfortably around it, giving the space its own character. Let's start with what this dining area already has: an oval fluted pedestal dining table paired with upholstered curved back dining chairs with oak legs. If you already have this kind of set, you don't need to replace it because its light finish already adds warmth and matches the modern tone. Then, adding a low-pile gray rug helps define the dining zone as the gathering space and adds warmth underfoot. You might also choose a black grid mirror to instantly double the brightness reflecting the light coming from the window. Bring in greenery, like a potted indoor plant to add height and freshness. You can add floating QB shelves on the side wall. Their clean, boxy form adds subtle structure, while the oak tone reflects the dining table, creating a cohesive mix of tones and linear details. Style these QBs with simple, neutral decor pieces to bring personality and warmth. Then install horizontal blinds for flexible light control and clean lines. You can also place a slim console table with a dark wood top and metal base. Its narrow depth makes it practical for small walkways, adding style without taking up too much space. On top of the console, place a fabric drumshade lamp and small decor pieces. Then hang abstract wall art with a linear art light above it to bring subtle movement and color. After these updates, your dining area giving your home a consistent modern contemporary character, all for around $1,900 to $2,000. Your kitchen might already look clean and complete, but it still needed some renovation to connect well with the living and dining areas. It already has a great U-shaped layout. That's your advantage. So instead of changing the layout, focus on using materials and finishes that visually connect all three spaces. For the kitchen materials, the existing white quartz countertop works perfectly. Its clean surface instantly brightens your kitchen and reflects light beautifully. But by updating the tone of your cabinetry, you can completely change how the space feels. By repainting it with a matte gray finish, the kitchen now feels open and airy instead of boxed in. The handle-free design keeps everything sleek and modern. Under the upper cabinets, install warm LED strip lighting to make your cooking area brighter and more functional. The appliances stay exactly where they are. They already sit perfectly within the U-shaped setup, giving you efficient movement while cooking. Now, focus on the breakfast counter. You can add warmth by wrapping the front of the nook with fluted wood panels. But what truly stands out is how the same oak panel continues up the side wall all the way to the ceiling. This single vertical element draws your eyes upward, giving the illusion of height. It's a smart, budget-friendly way to make your kitchen look custom-built without a major renovation. For seating, bring in modern upholstered counter stools with slim black legs. They make your breakfast nook inviting, perfect for quick meals or casual conversations. Lastly, cover your window with another horizontal blinds so you can control the natural light coming through. The kitchen still keeps the same layout, but now it feels elevated, brighter, and beautifully unified. These enhancements cost around $1,400 to $1,500. When your space feels disconnected, a few changes in color, materials, and layout can transform everything. From your living and dining areas to your kitchen bar, every piece can serve a purpose while still making your home look stunning. All these upgrades and furniture enhancements cost only around $6,700 to $6,800, covering just what's been updated and added. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.